Security was tight around a court in Shanghai where a 37-year-old Chinese citizen journalist who covered the coronavirus outbreak in Wuhan on her YouTube channel has been jailed for 4 years. Cheng Chan was found guilty of picking quarrels and provoking trouble after revealing a more dire situation than the official narrative was telling. Her videos captured crowded hospitals and empty streets. One man turned up to show support for Chan, one of several journalists who have run into trouble for reporting on Wuhan. China has come under fire for its early handling of the pandemic, with Beijing accused of failing to warn the world about what was to come. Since the first cases were detected in Wuhan last December, the World Health Organization now says over 79 million people have been infected globally and over 1.75 million killed. Nearly half of the global case count is from the Americas. The U.S. remains the worst impacted country, surpassing 19 million positive cases. Italy's numbers have been steadily rising over the past 5 days. Over 72,000 Italians have died since the virus first hit the country back in February. The first doctor to identify COVID-19 in an Italian citizen was vaccinated Monday.
Yes, I think that from the 20th of February, it started a nightmare for me and for every people. And I think today it's the beginning of the end of this terrible pandemic. So I'm very, very happy that I can be here and seeing people doing the vaccine.
Despite over 28,000 new COVID-19 cases in just the past 24 hours in Russia, these older residents in Moscow aren't so sure about getting a vaccination. One saying they were fine to wait until the situation was more pressing. Applications for vaccinations begin Monday for Russians over the age of 60. According to a spokesperson, 68-year-old President Vladimir Putin is set to be vaccinated once the formalities are finished. After almost a year of talking about this virus and now vaccinations, it's taking a toll on our mental health. Britain's top psychiatrist warning the consequences of the pandemic pose the greatest threat to mental health since World War II. Data in the UK showing mental health services have never been in higher demand. Good news, over 10 million Brits are currently seeking support. Megan Robinson, City News.